Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don commission 1 megawatt solar farm project for Ohovbe, Ikpoba local government area. The commissioning ceremony shele on August 22, 2024 for the Palace of His Royal Highness Idurase Adu Oyemense the Enoge of Ohovbe. The Honorable Commissioner for Mining and Energy, Enahulu Ojefu, welcomed the Ogbonge people wey tanda for the commissioning ceremony and come announce say the federal government don't give the state power to generate electricity. That's now why the state government decide to build a 1 megawatt solar farm for Ohovbe, where go fit power more than 2,000 houses and support small businesses for the community.
Sometimes you go see say, you go even still pay the NEPA bill, you know, go get light. Not be so? Sometimes the bill where they will give you, the bill where you not use, they will tell you say that estimated bill. Not be so? Now, that thing, the reason why they happen be say, the electricity law is standing on exclusive list. What did that one mean be say, now federal government, now you get hand, take the control, what did they happen for the market. But 2022, when Obaseki come see say, even for state secretariat and every area, that they all generator everywhere, no, it's too much. Every day that they fight, Obaseki can go ask questions, say, how we go take generate life by ourselves? We will not go depend on NEPA again. He can go check out for inside the law. There is a window where it opens small. Say state can generate power for the state use only. That means say you not go fit sell to your neighbor. Now only state facility go do am. And you know say Ikpoba Okha, Oriomo, and Ovia, now na get gas, not be so? Everything dey here. Now gas, now they do power, apart from hydro and this solar mini grid. We can go check and say the gas we will get for Olobo here, say it too plenty. Now you can go amend law. We are the first state in Nigeria to have state electricity law. When you don't do that one, I hear one time where say governor, I don't say government they fight with NEPA. I remember one woman where did that, and I remember so now the issue with the fight up and down. We full 10 years. We can't generate what is called Ohovbe power plant. That Ohovbe power plant now to service Edo State government house, and secretariat, and police station, hospital, everything where state own. Now they build them for. But around 2022, around 2021, thereabout, now they start this whole drama. When Buhari wan come out 2023, he come see say Edo State don dey get light on their own. He come dey ask them say, if Edo State fit dey do their own light, why we not come change this law? Come make and say make state dey generate light by themselves. He come create that law. Now one good thing wey Buhari do be that. He come change am say let every state now dey generate light by themselves because the NEPA no fit cover anywhere. Because some villages dey this Edo wey dey not get light since more than 5 years to 10 years sef. If the transformer spoil na problem. So at the end of the day, they come amend that law. When they finish am, Buhari come comot, e no implement am. The next thing na the next government come enter, no be so? E come go check am, they come go check say those states don dey enjoy light 24 hours light for all the secretariat. That one come say make dem implement am. Now last year na implementation start because of one thing wey Governor Obaseki do wey everybody take know say e do well for Nigeria. Now as I speak to you now, yesterday here, now we don go finish for government house now. Federal government don give Edo State power. Now yesterday they give us o. They don transfer the power of electricity to Edo State government. Go na celebrate God for that one. What do you mean be say from yesterday 21st of August till Jesus come, now Edo State now go dey decide how NEPA, how light go take dey develop for Edo State. They no stop there. The BDC wey una know before, they wan change am now. We go change am to Edo State BDC. So governor don already see the vision ahead. He come start to dey plan. One of the governor plan be say there are some communities wey he love well well, try those rural areas, hospitals. Why he come be say how we wan take give them light? If you say make we do gas, not everywhere get gas for Edo. So now we check alternative energy, which is the clean energy. Now we come start. How we take come here? Some people don't know. Nobody carry us come here. When we enter here, because he say houses where dey here, he extend to Aduawa. That means if you pass here, you can come out from Aduawa. If you pass Aduawa, you can come out from here. It simply means say that two major communities where Edo really like people that they dey here. Not be so. So if you come out from here, they go Agbo. If you pass here, you go Auchi side. Governor say no, that kind of place. So they don't hear issue for this area. All this thief or anything, not everything they happen with the same. This area they peaceful. Men are go put for there because they don't see check say life on they get not they stable. And sometimes it's not even there at all. Sometimes NEPA not even they give you now. The people they give are not too high. We can't start to the door for here. The first place we first do this power plant now 2+2 for a year. Since that day when we do until now, they light never off. Now 24 hours light. If you doubt me, just go there 2+2. When you reach there, just ask of that the street. What is the name of the street? Ohovbe Street, Ohovbe Street. One church dey there after Apostolic Church. The street dey inside. You go see say the light don't dey there. When we come pass through military hospital, we come see say dead body dey smell. We come ask them wetin happen. They say light no, NEPA no dey give them light. Say their mortuary don dey cause problem for them. Governor come say make I go put one for them. Now deputy governor wey follow us on, na he go flag up that one. That one don ready now. Now, as we go Esan, we come see say the major hospital wey dey there na be Ira Specialist Hospital. We come see say the cost of electricity wey they tell us 37 million naira na they spend every month for diesel and NEPA. Doctor come say how you go spend 37 million and the cost of healthcare not go high? Because say no na build one for there. E go cover that entire Ilua and the hospital. So that make they get 24 hours light. Governor come see pass am again now. Say not be only that one o. All major private hospitals for Edo, make dem come, we go build for them. They go dey pay small. Because if hospital dey use their money take dey pay for diesel, the money wey dem go charge you for malaria e go too high. So we don start to dey build for hospital. Even old don ready, we dey commission am next week. That one na 1.5 megawatts. This one wey we build for una here na 1 megawatt, but there is a space for 2 megawatt extension. E mean say this one wey we build so, e will serve over 2,000 houses. Now, in their own already don dey serve over 488 houses. Because that one we fit use am take start am. But this one na big pass the one wey dey now because of the population wey dey here. We go still extend am. Wetin we wan do be say we don't want say we wan chase BDC away. No, this one na to support the BDC. You know, na you go dey decide now how you go take dey use am. The meter wey dem go give you na meter wey go dey do as your recharge card is far lower than the cost of BDC. So for people wey dey do hairdressing, wey dey do barber salon, wey dey do small business, opportunity don come. You will never have problem with light again. Inside last month too, Governor Basaki come call me say, come. Why e be say the only thing wey I dey hear from NEPA say they dey give estimated billing. I come say my governor, the problem is say most people no get meter. Some people say they don pay for meter, they never get for 6 months. Some people say if you bribe them, you give them some money, they will tell you say they will bring come, so they pay. Governor come release 500,000 meters to Edo people. Now he come reduce the price, he come subsidize them to a very low price. As I speak to you now, go to the Ministry of Mining and Energy, you go register. They go give you smart meter. And the law wey governor pass be say if you pay for meter in 10 days they will install for you. 10 days. If you don't install in 10 days, the partner go pay consequence, go pay for penalty for not installing that meter for you. And for new houses, one I know say I get new houses. There is somebody go collect BDC number. You must get BDC number. What we will do be say we don't have meeting with BDC now. Say that number wey they use 1 month they collect now 3 days. Now we agree. If you get new house, you will go to BDC. You go see small office where they pay for there. Now Edo State Mass Ministry Program. Now what they do for there. In 3 days they will give you BDC number. So when you register online, you go see where they say put BDC number. All these things are what the governor do. Governor don sit down to say all the churches, instead of they use the offering, they buy diesel and fuel. Come meet the Ministry of Mining and Energy. They go help you build your mini power plant for you, for your church, based on the load where your church carry. You know they pay, use of it, they pay money again.
I'm here on behalf of the Ikpoba local government chairman, Dr. Eric Osayende. So the message is to thank you people for this project. And definitely, this is my ward. This is my local government. We are going to show our appreciation on the 21st of September by voting massively for PDP. We can assure you that. Thank you very much.
Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki, where they represented by Engineer Marvelous Omobayo, come inaugurate the solar farm project and thank the Enoge for his support and say the governor they committed to provide steady power for the state, and this project now part of the bigger plan where it don't reach almost 60% completion.
We not fail to appreciate our elders and our fathers. About our commissioner don't talk sufficiently, and only one thing I want just add: the representative to the local government chairman can talk, and so make I elucidate more now. Wetin governor about government na continuum, they know they do and finish, but clearly Godwin Obaseki don set a roadmap. When I say roadmap, it be like design. You know, just only designer. He start construction, and he don't. In my personal assessment, he don't do more than 65%. So, as a government or as a sensitive people where they sensitive to the environment, there is need say we go sustain and even surpass what the man don't do. I'm sure that I never see this kind of initiative before. This one I need to call clean energy. When I say clean energy, is almost there's zero tolerance for shock. You know, go get shock. You know, pass through all those kind of material medium where get very high conductors where if kill person. And they hear me? Yes. And just assemblage of a solar farm, a position for where a sun set, you go charge on a very decent technology. Then 24 hours. In fact, if you like, you use fridge, you use what they may change, use anything. I'm sure it's over 2,000 panels. You don't get any effect. And the multiplier effect, we say, they reduce cost. The amount that they charge per kilowatt compared to our national grid now almost divided by 2. And the way they build them in such a way, it be like say when you don't need the power, you know they run. It be like as when you don't need to make call, your card no go run. So the thing they jam now input output, you know get now what you use, now it go charge you. And for me, there's need to sustain this kind of initiative. Now one I get like this for this world, and when I get several words, I'm sure like Ikpoba can get the highest number of words, both in stretch and I think they get 13 words here, right? 10. But this 10 word pass even 30 words for Asa or for donuts. I know. So what did that one translate to? They say we don't do another like pilot project. I go test them. We don't test them for other areas. This initiative don't generate around 7 megawatts for the state. If somewhere like Yoruba military hospital where they get better equipment, big equipment, they power them without complaint. It means say it go work for here. To give you an idea, say it go power nearly 2,000 houses. That one a very big relief because the conventional transformer what would they use the way they design them, you know, supposed power more than 200 or 300 houses depending on the kVA. So this one technology where don't come to stay. We get luck, say we get governor where not the analog, the digital person when they think ahead, when they proactive. And now we come bring somebody where they go do and when sabi, the man where sabi. For me, just to add to all this plenty thing where they don't talk, there's need to sustain what Obaseki don't do. So the only way to do it is to vote for the man where waiting. And who be that man? Thank you.
Permanent Secretary for Mining and Energy, Madam Moriyu, when them ask her wetin inspire the solar farm investment, she come tell say the project they align with the state government commitment to diversify energy mix and reduce dependency on fossil fuels. Say the initiative na part of Edo State vision to lead for renewable energy, meet the growing demand for electricity, ensure energy security, and boost economic growth.
When we came on board, we were given a mandate very specific. The governor instructed that Edo State, he needed Edo State to be states that investors could come and strive. And one of the major requirements for investors to come and do well in Edo State is energy. So that gave birth to our operation Light Up Edo 2.0, which we are currently launching out. And so because we now carried out a very special inquiry or investigation, and we now discovered that a lot of our communities were either underserved or unserved. So, and we also looked at the population and said, oh, this population is very dense, so let us carry out this. These are our first pilot project. So we now decided that the first thing we needed to do was to try this project on this area that are dense and very unserved. So first for us is that we needed to light up Edo. So second for us was that we needed the people to begin to see the results of good governance. You know, Governor Godwin Obaseki is doing a lot. He's touching lives everywhere, and one way of his doing that is to light up the whole state. So we didn't want to go to the GRO where we know people could afford solar. So we needed a community that could not afford solar as individuals, but government could assist to light up the environment for them. So that was why we picked on Ohovbe, we picked on Enyai, we picked on Ira Specialist Hospital, we picked on Military Base Hospital, and Oza community, and also Wohimi. So we wanted to run this and see if what our governor had in mind, was actually deliverable. And from today's launch, you will agree with me that it's something that is doable.
Enogi of Ohovbe, Idurase Aduoyeme say Chief Daniel Osaboyan, the Ihama of Ohovbe, and Chief Daniel Odige, the Enobore of Ohovbe, for their talk. Konya say them they happy with the project, and the people too they satisfied with this development.
I love the solar. I'm so interested, and my people too will be interested. When they see it, they will be happy too. They have already seen it.
We went there, see it. It's a very good project. It will help us in Ohovbe. We are grateful and thankful to get this. By getting this now, I think life problem will solve in Ohovbe.
I see it as a blessing and good luck to a community which is very large, as they talk, has boundary with 8 communities, namely Ogbeson, Raman Park Village there, Aduwawa, Bumodun, Ura, Inya, Ogere, and Amufi.
After the commissioning, they can do one quick tour of the solar farm and can offer prayers to officially launch the project. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ikpoba local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.